So I figured it out. By the way, I made some small change here. I think the minus actually. So now it's a plus and the minus in one basically. It's not my best graphic, but I figured out how to have why there was an issue. So the problem was this was set to 2 and this was set to 2 as well. The problem is I don't have 2 lines. I copy pasted code over. It's unfortunate, and by the way, I really need better tools for that as well. I feel like maybe there needs to be something in the compiler backend that actually checks if the pixels will match, something that analyzes it. I don't know, maybe some sort of AI. I don't know. Some better tooling definitely, because this should not actually happen in game. This should not happen during the actual play, but it should like be caught before by the compiler, obviously. Point is, I had 2 inventory lines, but I don't have 2 inventory lines because I use 32 by 32 pixel inventory objects. I do have, I could have like 3, or maybe I could have 4. I could probably have like 4 inventory items per line. I actually should have that. Oh. So that would work. Let's go ahead and clean. And yeah, that works perfectly fine. So I need to get rid of that part. That as well. Actually, that was just a line I drew to check how the height is. Give me a sec. There's something for. Neighbor was letting in my cat. Okay, let's see what that for. Right, so that works fine now. So the gaps are different, which is, quite frankly, I don't like how the gaps are different, to be honest. The problem is there's not really a solution as far as I can tell, because I could change that, but they're obviously not the same size. They are the same size, 32 by 32, but this part is not being drawn. But I guess I could do. Then I have more space on the right. It's also kind of. But the only thing I could do to maybe have the books closer together is to move the book in the frame on the left, and then I have more space. No, but then I have more space on the right. That doesn't make sense either. And there's... Oh, but wait, we kind of cut that off anyway, so... We kind of cut off the pixels, like, on the right. So, as you can see here, though, there's not really an area by much. It doesn't matter for now, I guess. We can give it a try, actually. We can give it a try. I just move it to the left. Let's see what this does. It's not gonna be perfect. Probably started bug fixing prematurely because I should really finish the game. Yeah, see now it's closer together. The thing is, how would that work with the other book? Because if we set the other book... Okay, that doesn't work either, to be honest. Because if we do this, the other book is gonna be further away again. This is not easy to kind of see. That's not changing anything. So if I wanted this to be the perfect match, I guess, I'd have to set up the book. That's honestly a style. I mean, I could. In this case, it probably would even work. Because one item is already going to be in my inventory. So that would work. But also, that looks terrible now. Yeah, that looks sort of terrible because I don't know. You know, having them this close together looks terrible. I want it perfectly tidy, but I don't think it can work. Maybe there's something, a way to get more tidy. I'd have to look at how the original Scum games did it. I don't think they kind of did it very tidy either. I think they probably did it like this. Yeah. It can't be helped, unfortunately, unless I redraw everything. I don't really have the time, so for now there will be this space in between and less space in between here. Right, what should I code now? Obviously we want to work on the actual puzzles. And my cat just came back inside and now he's being annoying again. What we actually want to do is maybe do a check that all items actually fit. All items. So what we can do, that requires me to add a fourth inventory item manually. We can just copy and paste it. I mean, this is not even going to be owned by the character from the start anyway, so obviously we can set up the books here. But, let's see. I'm gonna add all the text in post-process, I guess. God, my time is really running out in developing this game. There's a lot of text I still have to write. I've got pretty much all of tomorrow to write text. I think Sunday I'm probably gonna do the audio part. I'm really so behind and I hate it because I feel I could have finished this game by today already. If it wasn't for my family situation. Pick up. That's the battery stuff. Where's the... Oh, got an object here. Here we go. So... it's so copy and paste that the bunny still says scanner, but that's okay. For now it's okay. Obviously in code. Why? Oh, did I forget something? It's not the same item, it should work, right? Actors. 2. Oh, it needs to be defined in here. Oh, it didn't even compile because it's not declared. Didn't notice. Yeah, that would work. It would sort of... it maybe collide with the frame. I think it's okay though. I mean... this is really... oh. It would really sort of... I don't want to make it... yeah, it's not perfect. It's far from perfect. As far as the hotspot is concerned. Maybe I'll just stick with 3 items. Let's see. It's just a couple pixels. You know, it doesn't matter for now, honestly. Let's waste the book. Those atmospheric soundtracks on Monkey Island are not my favorite. Maybe it makes more sense when you're in that part of the game. But to listen to it is... yeah. Whatever. So... right, so that works for now. It's not perfect, it's not a perfect match. How much space do I have left? Do I have any space left in the bunny? No, I do not. It's pretty much filling the entire damn room, entire damn item. What happens when I make it a bit smaller? So it needs to be 8, right? 8 by 8. 24? What happens when I do 24? No, it's 200. It's losing all the detail. No. Maybe what I do nearest neighbor? That wasn't. What about 24 nearest neighbor? No. It's losing all the detail. I would have to manually simplify it. I mean, wait, I could. Yeah, no. No, it's fine the way it is. It's just a small issue, and maybe, honestly, maybe I will even place the arrows in here and maybe only have, I don't know. But no, I probably won't because the setup is pretty fairly good the way it is, I feel. And there's my cat. I still don't know why this is, why the clock automatically triggers an open. That shouldn't happen. I don't know if it's something set up there. Just let him inside and he's hungry again. He already had food 1.5 hours ago and he's already hungry again. This is terrible. I don't know why this cat is so incredibly hungry all the time. I feed him a lot of meat. He's had so many, probably like 1.5 cans today. He's thin and all, but it's unnatural for a cat to have this much wet food. What is this? I don't know. I don't really know what I am. Hallway. It's always going back to that stupid hallway. This is so annoying. How do I fix this? I really wish I knew how to fix this, but maybe this will just remain a bug. An annoying bug, nonetheless, but still, it's not game breaking. It's just that people have to. Oh, my animator told me he actually wants to do something to the arms, because it does look a bit uncanny the way they're not moved. I don't know yet. I mean, it's fine like this. It's just at the side animation. Yeah, probably. It does look uncanny. It's not. I wish I had more time, like a week or so more. I really want to release it for the game jam. I probably don't have a shot at $108 anyways. I mean, I'm not that poor. I can afford it anyways to pay for the Steam thingy. It's just that sort of. First of all, I want to feel accomplished. Sense of accomplishment, but also it's like a really good way to advertise your work, so that's really why I want to finish in time. Let's see, let's go for our item list. I need headphones for my cat. Ah, he won't stop. He hears me in here and he won't stop. And when I let him inside, he's just gonna ask for food. This cat is all food and nothing else. Okay. So let's add the inventory items that we can find inside the closet. We need a glass bottle. Or actually, let's start with the trash can. Let's start with a trash can. We're just using a generic item here. Again, I know it's sort of overused, but I'm just gonna paint this blue and program art again, and I'm calling this one just O bitmap object. Right. We also need an inventory object. But these we could probably already place. See, I'm actually not using names yet because the way I'm doing it now, I can go and search for o.bitmap and replace all of them depending on the actual content. Sure, I could, but that's gonna be a mess either way. So, because I need to go back anyways, I need to do the file placement, so it makes sense to just use something generic, so I can find all the objects that use them. Right, so we're gonna place a. We're gonna place a Wait, I forgot the room item. That's why. Trash can. Located in hallway. Contains plastic bag. Well, actually, write it like this maybe. We used that before somewhere. Kind of want to find the items quickly, so yeah, we have used. See, I'm gonna do something similar here. Contains plastic bag, so we can actually find it based on the quotes. Great. So now we go to the hallway. A lot of coding, I know. Oh, this is not even the way code. There we go. We go to the hallway room, and then we add. So we have door to classroom object. Wait a second. Why do I door to copying object? Never mind. We do have multiple stuff. Right. So we can just copy this. A lot of that can be automated later on. Or, again, I heard about templates. I'm not yet sure yet. I wish I could talk to Brad Taylor. Well, he's the guy who said they were using a sort of template system in a humongous version of Scum. Trash can objects. Trash can. It's a bitmap. And pretty much we want to place it pretty much place it somewhere here along the edges. 640 by oh, bullshit. Sorry. 320. 320 by 60. pretty much in between. Trash can, and walk to, obviously not. We want to have a look at. You go say just an ordinary trash can. There it is. Trash can. Yep. Got the trash can. Clean. Okay. Right. I'm actually gonna place it at 30. Just actually 60. I don't know how deep the room is gonna be. 40 maybe. It really depends on how deep the room is gonna be, I guess. Actually, I'm trying to imagine the room here. Actually, the door might be more. Yeah. Wait, there's probably gonna be a wall, so this is gonna be the middle section is gonna be a bit tighter to squeeze through. Yeah, it's hard. I know what I'm working on, but I haven't actually worked on it yet, so I haven't actually even started this room. So, what do we have in terms of verbs? Talk to. We go say, I'm not much for trash talk. Case. We don't have an item yet. We don't have an object yet. So that actually means we have to draw the trash can twice too. Oh my god. That shouldn't be hard though. Water spell? Is take, wait, syntax error? Hallway room 73? Because we keep misplacing the... Places. No? There's something else. Take is not declared a verb. What verb did I use it not take? Did I not declare it as take? Oh, it's pick up, not take. Yeah. There. So also direction. We'll go north. Okay, that works nicely. I still don't know why the hallway does that. I mean, I know why it does it, I don't know how to set it differently. The only way I can do it is if I set a bit. This really is an issue that I can't fix normally. There's probably a way to actually scan what the last room was. It's not related to the scrolling, it's related to the appearance on screen being hard-coded when you enter a room. It's part of the entry script, so it's kind of weird. Right, so we've got that item going to set up. So now I probably should have like a generic, you know the drill. And I'm just gonna create a new item. Two by 42 indexed. Copying the entire room palette. And I'm gonna use green. Right. So this is gonna be inventory item. Inventory item, and we are quite literally gonna call it II for inventory item, or IO for inventory object. It's easier to. Right, so now we're gonna go into our. Is this room linked? I think everything is linked to inventory items, so that shouldn't be a problem. We always want to define our inventory items, or anything that is an inventory item, in inventory items. It just makes the most sense. So we're gonna prepare. These I'm definitely gonna prepare already. Trash bag. Trash bag. And lots of copy pasting. Doesn't really matter. We should probably make it a bit shorter now though, because a lot of logic isn't even valid anymore. And I need to remove that stuff later on. 32 by 32 is pretty much our preferred one with an X of 0. But we can set the coordinates here. That's like, wait, we can set the hotspot, so maybe that could actually fix the problem with the arrows anyways. Didn't look too bad. So yeah, IO bitmap. This is a trash bag. Could probably get rid of at least some of the stuff here. Give. Since I know I'm gonna reuse that, I'm just at least gonna get rid of the open stuff. Open, give. The way you can do prepositions is kind of nice as well. It's really flexible. Right, but now I don't know yet if it's not really great. We can set a bit, but I think there's like better ways to do it actually. I don't remember how it's done here. Let me look at, because obviously when we take the item, we want to make sure that it's actually gone and that the line doesn't repeat itself. Drawer. So there's an object cabinet drawer. So this is when it's open. So they use object owners, okay. Which is questionable, to be honest. Huh. Wait, but if get object owner 0, wouldn't we reset it to the same? Wouldn't that's a bit questionable. I don't know if that's truly the case. We'll have to test this. It's a good way. But what I'm wondering is if this would not create a sort of weird situation where if you give an object or use an object, that you can grab the object again. Maybe not. Maybe I'm worrying about nothing. But this seems more elegant, at least, than this definitely is more elegant than having to check a bit every time. So I'm gonna use that. Nope. Are we gonna set a case here? Not gun, obviously. Trash bag. Let's see. Pick up. Object. So. Let's pick up object, usually done. My brain is, I feel like I'm having brain rot. Inventory items, inventory items. There's actually a shorthand way to do that as well, but this is fine. Why? Oh, we're closed. Now we don't. We place everything. I'm not sure. So we'll pick up the trash can. Okay, no whoops. Okay, and now we pick it up again. Okay, this should obviously not be in there anymore. Okay, so cool. So that actually worked. It looks odd, obviously, here because it's the whole thing. Maybe I will. I might restrict this to 2 item slots. Now it's maybe I'll even make some graphical changes there in the end. So and slot. Let's just minimize it because this is freaking weird. I have a lot of space left there. This is what it is. Okay. And then there's the item, trash bag. And actually, shouldn't it? That's also kind of annoying now, because people would be. It's a small detail, but I think it should have scrolled automatically. It's whatever. I don't want to completely prematurely fix issues that keep me from finishing the game in time. If I had a week or so left, I probably would go into detail here. But for now, that's okay. Right. So we've got the trash bag. We've got a trash bag now. Let's see. What else do we have on our list? Not in terms of objects. Contains plastic bag. Maybe I should like. Back in the wall. That would be a hotspot. Fish tank is also an object you can interact with. So I guess the glass bottle and the Bunsen burner. These are quite simple. We have the closet room here. And then inside the closet room we're gonna have an object. Bunsen burner. Object. Bottle. We only have one bottle in this entire game, so it doesn't even matter. And now we have to actually put them into the. We have to find them. Does it? Yeah. I keep seeing that error, and it's quite annoying. I don't know why there's no monster sound file, unless you actually like. It's only available when you actually have sound effects in there, which I do not. I almost gotta head off. A couple more minutes. I'm gonna record more tonight, I feel. I had so much to drink in terms of energy drinks and tea. I still got a tea here. So, yeah, bottle in here. Just gonna define the items here. Right. So we have an object, a Bunsen burner. Perfect. And we have an object, bottle. We're going to place them in the room. And there's gonna be some sort of shelf or something. It's really hard going from imagination because I didn't feel like doing the graphics yet. I'm more worried about the actual code, finishing the code than finishing the graphics. I want to have the fun part at the end of it, because it's probably more fun doing graphics and seeing it all come together. Right, so which room is the closet? In there. Right, so we've got a closet room. Thing is, I also need to rescale everything anyways. I need to change my code because right now I'm still working with a 320 by 180, 320 by 200 resolution, and I still want to change it to 320 by 180, so there's that I still need to do. There's going to be less vertical space, even. The whole game will be more like 16 to 9. Because right now, I mean, this does look like 16 by 9, but you have to consider that there's a verb interface underneath, so it's back to 4 by 3. Which means I have even less space for the entire room, which probably serves me quite well because I don't have much time to do the rooms. You know, let's see where we want to place them. So we're entering the room in the center. We don't have a move, right? Like, did not have a move or anything. Aren't there like items in the drawer? So, oh yeah, there's like a drawer. Okay, so we have the batteries and the wires. So we have an item within the item that's Well, we already did that, sort of, but yeah. So we have to check the state for the open, and then once it's open, you can take the item out of it. So that's 2 actions. But in any case, for now, I'll just do the bottle. Not very creative right now, I guess. I feel the Bunsen burner should be in the lower corner here. Okay. Not too low because we're changing the whole layout. So it's probably not going to be 144. It's probably going to be. Yeah, it's probably going to be 146. But yeah, let's just use 146, and then like the lowest corner. Or let's use 128. Let's use 128. That's low enough. Yeah. So that's 2 different sorts of items now. Because we have an inventory item. Right? Yeah, we have to have 2 items now. So we have the actual object is grabbable. And then we have to deal with removing the item, so that's 2 items. But we'll just use the IO for both. Classroom closet. Oh my god, getting tired again. Did I say 300? 128. Yeah. Last bottle. Should they be capitalized? I don't know if they should be capitalized. Direction. We're facing northern direction when you get an item. Because they're walk to, obviously not. Pick up. Then we would need it. Oh. Yeah. There's... Oh. Oh. So that's... Oh. Change it in one instant cover. What? 70? Oh. This not belong there. Dude, this is also weird. Why did... Oh. So there's still part of the bird interface on top. It's... this is still a challenge. Even though it should not be on top, it sort of is. It's bleeding into because, like, yeah, it shouldn't... Something to fix later. Glass bottle. Okay. Got the glass bottle. The ordinary. Pick up glass bottle. Does not work. We're just returning there. Okay, but like I said, graphics later. As long as it doesn't crash, it's fine. So there's the glass bottle, and then Bunsen burner, maybe right here. Some shelf. So 270 by 90. Yeah. Wait a sec. That might happen. I have placed multiple objects. Okay, I'm going nuts right now. Not a good presentation of my engine. Oh, okay, there we go. Never mind. It's in the closet. Obviously, wrong item. It should be higher up, more like 60. Actually, the height was okay. It should be more like 30. I mean, it doesn't even matter. I'm literally just chugging along here, but keep hitting the wrong button. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Let's repeat the item. There's no walk to. How do you pick up? Maybe some metal ping, cling, whatever. And we have to have a cool. Now we have to have these as inventory items. They're not even sorted. They're not sorted anyway, so whatever. And then objects. Object, Bunsen burner, object. What's the friggin' object now? Bottle. Okay. Right. Now I have to have an object present and an inventory presentation of these items. I'm gonna delete a lot of code, I know. Maybe after I'm done I'll have a sort of kind of better way to do certain things. Maybe this will end up being a better representation of how things are done than OpenQuest. But OpenQuest certainly has its issues. So going in. The use has to go, honestly. The use has to go for now. A lot of stuff on the giant. Bunsen burner. And then we'll do a bottle. The question is, will it work? Huh. If we name the object the same way, this might crash. I'm not sure yet. Because I'm not really sure. Well, okay, they're classes, they're different classes, so it actually should not interfere. Yeah, never mind, it shouldn't interfere here. They're totally different classes. Knowing two languages, I always feel like I'm misspelling things. Yeah. Oh my god. German is creeping in. I might actually ask a person, I might send a list of items to a person or two, and maybe ask them to come up with some descriptions for the item for the look at command. Because it's a lot of writing, a lot of text. Maybe somebody else comes up with like some genius concept, some genius way of describing it that I'm not aware of. Like Bunsen burner, obviously some sort of history about the guy Bunsen, I assume is his name. I knew that once. So, let's see if that works. So we pour into the Ubuntu. Last one. Okay, these are not set correctly yet. No pickup command, obviously. Closet. I have too many files open at once. It's kind of hard to see where I'm going. Okay. Needs to do it two-dimensionally. This and then... right. Glass bottle, exit closet. That's obviously Bunsen burner. Got object. I need an animation, I don't know. I really feel I need some sort of animation still. I can ask my animator, I guess. It's kind of short notice, we're different time zones. I'll just drop him a message later on Telegram. Pick object. Somebody's at the door again, just a second. Okay, just finish this quickly, and I'll have to go somewhere. Object, inventory items. And then we have to set the owner to 0 for that item, so it actually drops out. We're gonna do that in the next video, though. Bottle. Then we add it to the inventory items. Right. It's not really. Oh, it's tight. There we go. This should work. Let's try the room again. 2. Now we should be able to pick up the glass bottle. Here it is. Now obviously we should remove this glass bottle as well. And I'm gonna show you how to do that in the next video. So stay tuned.